Asset owners are required to provide a point of contact for each station ACS. Admin and edit users can manage contacts for their organization on the Contacts page. Click Create to add a new contact and fill in the required details, and click Save. Once you have added contacts for your organization, you can search on the list of contacts, export the contacts list, and edit existing contacts. A person that has been created as a contact can then be assigned as either a primary contact or secondary contact within an ACS for a station. They will then be a point of contact for operational or technical queries for the system operator. It is important to maintain your organization's contact list to ensure that it is always current for operational and technical queries.